Okay, breaking news coming in. Kangana Ranaut has created a flutter by asking stars to submit their blood samples for drug tests. She has put out a tweet and I quote, "I request Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor, Ayan Mukherjee and Vicky Kaushal to give their blood samples for drug tests. There are rumors that they are cocaine addicts. I want them to bust these rumors. These young men can inspire millions if they present clean samples," unquote. That's a big one that is coming in from Kangana Ranaut. Kangana Ranaut creating a massive flutter in the Bollywood fraternity with this one tweet itself. Putting out that tweet requesting Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor, Ayan Mukherjee, Vicky Kaushal, all of them to give their blood samples for a drug test. She's gone ahead and alleged that there are rumors that they are cocaine addicts. She goes on to say that she wants them to bust these rumors so that these young men can inspire millions if they present clean samples. That is a tweet that is coming out from Kangana Ranaut. We also need to get a reaction now from all these stars and see whether they tweet in response to this particular tweet that is coming out. It is important that they put out a response as well, because Kangana has gone ahead and dared these superstars to come clean. Pia Hingorani is joining us. Pia, this is a huge revelation, rather a huge allegation that is being made by Kangana Ranaut, where she says that there are rumors that Ayan Mukherjee, Ranbir Kapoor, Vicky Kaushal, Ranveer Singh, all of them should give out their blood samples because she alleges that there are rumors that they are cocaine addicts. This is big. Are we getting any kind of reaction coming in from the Bollywood superstars on this?
Very honestly, Chaiti, no one really reacts to Kangana's tweets, especially when it's something like this. From whatever we've seen in the past, people usually try to keep mum, whether she's spoken about nepotism, whether she's spoken about, the politicians or the Maharashtra government or Mumbai police for that matter in the past couple of months. But this is actually really big. I mean, for the first time, she's actually taken names, that too of A-listers, which include Ranveer Singh and Ranbir Kapoor and, of course, filmmaker Ayan Mukherjee. It's also very interesting to note that exactly a week back, last Wednesday itself, Kangana went on record and requested PM Narendra Modi to actually, make use of his Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and, eradicate the drug use in Bollywood, because she claims that it's extremely rampant, among, in the film industry. And she's even gone ahead and, extended her help to the Narcotics Control Bureau and said that if the NCB needs any help, she is more than willing to go out there and help them. But she needs protection from the center, because she's not only putting her career at risk, but also her life. So, we've seen this trend over the past 1 week where she's coming all out, hammer and tongs, so to speak, towards, the drug use in the film industry. But however, this is the first time she's actually used names, which is a really big step. I mean, one has to be really careful when it comes to all of this, but she's actually gone ahead and
this
said
is going to create a lot of flutters in the Bollywood film fraternity, because first time names are being taken out, although she has alleged that they are rumors, but she's put out names. This is big.
Absolutely, and not only this time, but before as well. She's actually mentioned that, at superstars' parties, they are all welcomed with a little bit of drug and not and really serious drugs that are used. And she's even used names on Twitter as well. But this is the first time that she's actually accused people, of course, while she's also claimed it's a rumor. But, putting names out there of Bollywood stars, young Bollywood stars, is a really big step for her.
It's a vicarious allegation, yes, absolutely, yeah. But let's see how Bollywood fraternity really reacts to this particular tweet of Kangana Ranaut. Thanks very much, Pia, for getting us that story.